Hello, this is Mr. Molo for our practice e-learning day. So if this was a real snow day, you'd receive an email from me telling you what to do and where to find it. I'll still send out an email telling you where the folder is and where everything's located, and I'll show you in this video as well. So since this is day 2 of the 4.5 lesson, just like any other day 2, we're going to start with the puzzle time. So I'll do a couple of the problems with you, and then you're going to finish the rest by yourself. So if this was a real snow day at home, you could either print off the puzzle time or you could just write down the answers on a loose leaf sheet of paper then. So we'll look at question 2 here. So reading the directions, using your graphing calculator to determine whether the model is a good fit for the data in the table. So it says to use a graphing calculator, but most of these we can just kind of look with our eyes. So it says plus 8 over here, which means our y-intercept should be 8. It's 9, so it's pretty close to it. We're off by 1. And then our slope is -2, so we should be going down 2 every time. And if you look at this first one, it looks like we are going exactly down 2, so that seems like a good fit. From 7 to 4, it looks like we're going down 3, so it's off by a little bit. Here we're going down 3 again, off by a little bit. Down 2, so right in line with the slope. And then we got a couple down ones, and then a down 3. But overall, we're either going down 2, which is exactly the slope, or down 1 or down 3, which is pretty close. So I would say yes, this is a pretty good fit for the slope, or for the equation then. And then let's look at number 4 here. So this one, we actually do need to use a graphing calculator to find out the equation of the line of best fit for the data. So remember, there is that link to the calculator on Schoology. So if we go back to the home page here, there's a link to the calculator right there. So you can click and open that up. And then we can get to our calculator. Okay, so I'm going to take those X's and Y's from number 4 and put them into the calculator. And this is probably a good day to have a practice e-learning day, because then everyone will get an example of how to do this. So remember, we're going to start with stat, edit, and then we're going to start putting in those X's and Y's. So I got -12, -9, got -6, -3. Now we have 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. There's my X's, and then for the Y's, we have -27, -15, -2, and then 6, 21, 30, 42, 58, and 67. So there's my Y's from that table. And remember, we press the stat button again, slide over to calc, and then go down to the linreg. Yes, we want to calculate L1 as our X's and L2's as our Y's. So then we press calculate. So we have Y equals 3.9277 repeating, plus 20, that's our Y-intercept. So if we go back and look, 3.9, so it's a positive 3.9, so not A. It's a plus 20, so not B. So it looks like we're going to select this one here with the 3.9 plus 20 as our answer. Okay, and just to kind of navigate you through Schoology, so there is a folder on Schoology. It's called Practice e-Learning Day. If you click on there, there's some videos that'll help teach you about 4 or 5 in case you forgot the lesson from yesterday. There's the puzzle time that you would need to look at. And then up here at the top, once I'm done with this video, I'll post that video up top so you can watch that first so you can kind of see what's going on. But for the rest of today, you should be working on, after you're done with the puzzle time, you should be working on that 5-question homework quiz. And then the rest of the class time will be to work on your homework that is due tomorrow.